Are you thinking about selling your home, but you have no clue where to start? Look, I understand. Now, if you guys don't know who I am, my name's Chakits. I specialize in social media marketing. I specialize in sales. This is all I do. If you have a property that you want to sell, it is very important that you actually contact me, because I'm going to show you exactly my 21 steps, my proven steps to get your property sold for top dollar. I have testimonies after testimonials. So if you are considering selling your home, you need to give me a call and let me show you my process on how I can get you top dollar and sell your home quicker and faster than any other brokerage out there. All right, see you guys at the closing table. All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So we're back, taking a look at this new product by Shawood. Look at this. I think I like this exterior than the other two here. Alright guys, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Chakits Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today I'm out here in the master plan community of Summerlin. We are here at this beautiful community, new developer. This is a gated community. I think consists about 41 homes. And we're going to take a look at this product here. Wow, love the exterior of this home. Bristol Clone, I think that's how you pronounce it. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Let's take a look at this one. This one is 3,176 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage. One thing I've noticed here is that on the foundation, normally we have a weep screed underneath here, but there's like a metal flashing all the way around. Definitely have to find out what that's about. That's interesting. And I believe this right here, the material, according to salesperson, should be fire resistant. I wonder if that's the same thing with this product here too, if this is theirs. Oh wow, I actually thought this was actually tile, but no. This is that type of material. The only thing about this dark siding here and all this cladding is that it gets so dusty out here. Let me take a look at this one. I think I may have toured this one. I don't remember. Did I tour this one, guys? No, I did not. I don't even remember if I toured this one or not. Let's see here. Oh no, I didn't tour this one. Okay, good. Toured so many homes, I don't even know which one I looked at. All right. Let's take a look at the flooring. Beautiful flooring for sure. Definitely this home has a lot of upgrades to this home. So take a look at the kitchen. I mean, everything's just has all the bells and whistles. Oh, the price on here. Forgot to mention. Price on here, the base price starts off at $1,559,990. That's some beautiful granite. Look at that. Oh, that's definitely a work of art. Beautiful slab. Just keep in mind the variations on these slabs. You might not get these type of variations if you like this stone, but what's good about some of these builders that you need to check if this is the type of stone that they offer, you need to go down to the warehouse where they have the stone and pick your stone. So today, after this video shoot, I'm gonna go pick up my niece. I'm gonna go surprise her, take her to the mall, do a little shopping. Full overlay cabinets. I love this, that modern style cabinets here. This is very unique right here with this sink. kitty cornered on the window here. Man, I love the stonework. A lot of people are starting to move to electric now, but I think it's just more streamlined. But you know, somebody was telling me I gotta check up on this, but according to the code, everything's switching over to electric versus gas. What do we got over here? This takes us into the garage. Pretty decent size. Love the window here. They definitely just have a lot of like just window and a lot of glass that brings in a lot of light, and that's what I love about this house so far. I mean, this is a little bit unique. You got the accordion window here. This should open up. There we go. It slides up very easy, so I guess you just close that gate, but I guess you're just serving drinks here and people are walking through your house. I mean, a little bit different. So with the pantry. Now I've walked all three models and I noticed all the models are all orange peel texture. I know they have an option. I love these doors here. I forgot the name of the door where it opens up halfway. Let me know in the comments below. And again, the cladding on the ceiling all the way through. Beautiful transition. You've got surround sounds. You got a 10 by 12 foot slider here. You have the option to build out. Looks at this, electronic shades, which is a plus. These are not pocket doors. These are all aluminum framing, nice and solid. Love the white and black color combo, but the only problem is that out here, this is not the right climate for it. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that you'll get here because a lot of the, when you get the rain, you've got a lot of dust blowing and you get like this calcium. I mean, it looks beautiful. It gives that real modern look. This is just very impressive to me. I mean, whew. Got your built-in here. Oh, a bunch of the stuff is just a lot of aftermarket. They're impressive. I like how wide that door is too. We've got two thermostats. You got your fireplace. You got your half bath. And I love the valet section here. There's your two-car garage. You have two options for your system for energy efficiency, which is, I think it's called like the zero energy home. There's two plans. Again, we'll go over that in a later video as far as construction build. What do we got here? We got 10-foot ceilings. This is a office, but technically a bedroom. Back here, what do we got back here? So interesting. This is like, so this is a closet AV room. It is a little bit hot in here. I definitely would have a return line somewhere in here. So that way you're sucking out of the heat for sure. I mean, this is a little bit interesting. Maybe this is supposed to be a build an option for a closet. Because your bathroom is here. These panels. Let's see here. It's something you guys can do on your own. But let's go upstairs. I love the fact that we got some LED lights. Definitely utilize this space very well here on this landing. So this would be your loft area. Got 10-foot ceilings again on the second floor. Front door pending. My alarm is going off at my front door. Oh, on this one, we've got smaller supply lines here. We've got 1, 2, 3, which is great for airflow. They probably did that from an engineering standpoint. When it comes to AC units, it's all about airflow, right? How much air is going through per square feet. Got a floating vanity. Now notice here on the second floor in this model right here, all the transitions are just zero threshold, which is smooth. They didn't do that on the other models though, but this, on the other hand, could be an office, loft. I don't know if I would have a gym on the second floor though. I mean, I would probably have this as an office, honestly. Have a desk down the center. But I love the fact that we have this mirror here. It just makes this room look a lot larger, especially with this glass as well. So this has got to be the primary. So we have a 9 by 10 foot slide here. And this is a large balcony. Look how large this is. Look at that view, guys. Whew. Got another thermostat here. Closet. I mean, closet a little bit small. Oh, those LED strips are killer right above there. And then you got two. I guess it's not that bad. Let's take a look at this bathroom here. Love this chevron pattern. Look at that. Linen closet, okay. Now the exterior of this home is like one of my favorite exteriors, but I don't think this layout is for me. I think I would probably take the juniper out of them all. Is more my style. But don't get me wrong, could I live here? Oh yeah. I do feel alive though, like living here, like everything. I just feel like I'm outside. And that's what I like. Like I want a house that's just open and airy like this. It just feels good. Alright guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel by showing some love. Also, if you don't have a real estate agent, you don't want to earn your business, I've got bills to pay, and I need your help. Alright guys, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed folks.